Hello friends, today we are going to discuss on how to win an NPTEL certification and what are its benefits both to students and as well as the faculty. Lot of people were asking how to register for NPTEL certificate, what courses to register and what is the content in that, how to clear the exam and what benefits we have if we complete. So these are the questions we are going to address today. First of all, what is NPTEL? NPTEL is a national program on technology enhanced learning. We can say it is kind of an online learning, online platform supported by Ministry of Human Resource Development. And this was initiated by top institutes, 7 institutes, Indian Institute of Technologies, Bombay, Delhi, Kanpur, Kharagpur, Madras, Gauhati, and Roorkee has participated in that. And even Indian Institute of Science also joined later. So they were all making the content from the best faculty available in India. So they have recording these programs and compiling the courses and compiling the assignments, compiling the final exam. So all this they were doing, and today it reached a figure of 600 plus courses in wide variety of engineering streams. And it is absolutely free for the students who want to enroll and learn themselves. But if you want a certificate, you need to appear for their exam, online exam. But you have to go to a center, designated center, write the exam, score the desired percentage of marks. Then you will be given an online certification. That certificate can be verified from anywhere through net. So as explained, there are 665 courses on offer, a wide range of subjects. We have so far for the current season, which is January to April, there are 9 lakh students already registered. Of course, some of them are faculty also. And we have mind-boggling 50,000 hours of content already recorded and kept. These courses were divided into 3 categories. There is a 4-week course, there is an 8-week course, and there is a 12-week course. 4-week course will get 1 credit, 8 weeks course gets 2 credits, and 12 weeks course gets 3 credits. Okay, this is absolutely free for the students and faculty for the registering, learning, accessing the content and learning. But if you want to write exam and get a certification, a nominal fees of 1,000 towards examination will be collected, online payment, and you have to score 40%. There will be divided into 2 categories. 25% marks are allotted for the assignments. Weekly assignments will be there. You have to complete those assignments. 25% of marks allotted for the assignments, and rest 75 is for final exam. So in that, both internal the assignments and also for the external exam, you have to score 40% in each. What are the exam dates and what are the important timelines for January to April season? That is the current season. They started enrollment process, online enrollment process in November, 14th November, they started. So far, 9 lakh students already registered. They are going to close the enrollment by 30th, that is January 30th, they are going to enrollment closes. So any faculty or student must enroll immediately within next 15 days. So they are going to start the course on 23rd of January. And ending of the course depends on the duration of the course. If it is a 4 weeks course, it is going to end in February. If it is a 8 weeks course, it is going to end on 17th of March. If it is a 12-week course, they are going to end on 14th of April. Exam date is also fixed. The 4 weeks courses had an exam date of 26th March 2023, and the 8-week course also had exam on the same day, 26/3/23. You can write maximum of 2 exams in a single given day. So on 26th of March, you can write maximum of 2 courses, one in the morning and one in the evening. For a 12-week course, the exams are going to be conducted on April 29th and April 30th, 2 dates. So each day you can write 2 courses. So you can total for the April 29th and 30th, 2 plus 2, 4 courses. So for entire season, if you write in the March 26 2 papers and also do 2 papers on April 29th and also do 2 more papers on 30th April, then in that entire season, January to April, it's called semester, you can do maximum of 6 courses for writing exam. Learning, no problem. You can register 10 courses and learn. No? But exam maximum possibility is only 6 courses. What is the exam registration when it is started? They started in 16th December, examination started. They are going to close the examination registration in February 17th. See, course registration ends on 30th January. There will be some sufficient time, like 15 days more. So you can go through the courses, find whether you can write the exam or not, decide in 15 days. But before February 17th, you have to register for the exam before 5 o'clock. Okay. And for the 12-week course, you can register up to March 17th. So it is very difficult how to select the course from 665 list. So it is a very big number of courses available. How to select the courses? Normally one would do either what is his selected domain. Suppose he is chemical engineering. He will select courses related to chemical engineering to either to update the knowledge or get certified for what he already knew. Okay. So, for example, in electronics domain, we have a VLSI. Subjects pertain to VLSI called one particular domain. Similarly, in the mechanical engineering, all production subjects are one stream. All machine design things are another domain. Like that, there are 51 domains across 12 disciplines. These 12 disciplines are civil engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, chemical engineering, like that, aerospace engineering. So in each discipline, you have 4 or 5 domains. So that together will become 51 domains in 12 disciplines. So how to select? You have to select particular courses particular to a particular domain, so that in one of these 51 domains, then you can be certified as domain specialist. That is a good achievement. To become a domain specialist in any of the domains. For example, you are completed some 6 courses in chemical engineering, domain number chemical, one of the domain of chemical engineering. You can be called as a domain specialist, and you're eligible for to be considered as a faculty in that stream. Even though I am not a computer science background person, I am a mechanical person. If I do the 6 courses in computer science domain, I can be treated as at par with the other computer science domain, and I can be promoted as a faculty in that stream. So switching out the stream also, this is through this we can go through. That's why lot of faculty members were trying to get domain in some other specialization also, not in their domain. Anyway, they are having domain. Suppose a mechanical domain professor want to become specialist domain scholar in computer science. What he has to do is just register for 6 courses and pass that exam. Then he can be called as a specialist in the computer science domain. He is eligible for to be treated like a computer science domain scholar. Right. But for the domain scholar, not 40%, just for individual paper, it is 40% of certificate. Domain scholars, little more, the evaluation is there. In any domain to be called as a domain scholar, you have to score 55%, not 40%. And in all the 6 courses average total, you should score more than 60%. And each of them cross 55% in overall to be called in. So where to look for these domains? You have to go to their website called NPTEL.ac. In that there is a subfolder called domain. In that discipline, there are 12 disciplines: chemical, civil, aeronautical. Go to that particular discipline, select your 4 core courses and 2 elective courses. Both lists will be given in the same page. Suppose you are from civil engineering. There are 6 or 7 core courses. You have to select 4 of them and get certification in the 4. And also there are another 6-7 courses listed as electives. You choose 2 electives from the electives of the civil engineering. 4 plus 2, 6 you have to complete. We will explain how this in for one particular domain we will explain, so that others you can easily understand. I took most popular, everybody is doing these courses, computer science. Okay. You see, these are the computer science, what domains are available. You have artificial intelligence, you have a data science, you have a programming, and you have foundations of computing, and you have systems. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 domains. You choose any domain. Suppose you choose artificial intelligence, okay, as your domain. Okay, what are the courses I need to do if I choose artificial intelligence as my domain? There are 51 domains total, all branches together. In computer science itself, we have 5 domains. I have selected computer science domain. In the bottommost of artificial intelligence picture, 4 core plus 2 elective written there. If you small letters, yeah, that means you get a specialization in artificial intelligence. You must complete 4 core courses and 2 electives. What are those courses? So, if you click on that slide, you will get you will lead to the listing. I will show you that listing now. These are the listing. Domain, artificial intelligence. You have to complete 4 courses plus 2 electives. What is the list of core courses? This is the list. How many are there? 1 to, I could see 1 to 5. So there is a artificial intelligence search methods, or we can take introduction to artificial intelligence knowledge, programming data structures, like that. They have given 5 courses. 5 courses may you select any 4. You completed the core portion of the domain scholar. After this, you have to do 2 electives also. Together also you can do. On the same time also you can do. What are those electives list? This is the list of electives. There are 7 electives pertaining to artificial intelligence domain. Deep learning is there. Then you have a effective computing is there. So there are 7 electives. Choose any of the 2 electives from this electives list. And previous slide the core courses list is there. Select 4 from the core courses, 2 from the electives from the current slide. Now 6 courses you register. This you have to do. What is the timelines? You have to do in a period of 3 years. So total 6 semesters you should complete this. Then only you can call it domain scholar. So there are 2. You can even do in 1 semester 4 plus 2, 6 exams you can write, to so to speak. But if you want to do it somewhat leisurely in a paced manner, do at least 1 course in each and every semester. 6 courses in 6 semesters, that is 3 years mein ho jayega. Or at least do 2, then 3 semesters mein you will be able to complete. So total 6 courses, 4 from the main, 2 from the electives listed there. You select, register, pass the exam, score at least 55% in each of the subjects, and overall score 60%. Then you domain specialist tag is yours. Become domain specialist. To make it more clear, I have selected another stream called civil engineering. What are the domains available here? You have, I think, environment is shown here. Then there is you have structures, structural design, structural analysis, concrete, environment. So there are 4 domains to get specialist tag in civil engineering. Choose any of known domain and then go to click that domain. You will be shown a list of core courses and list of elective courses. From core courses list, you have to do 4 courses, and from the electives list, you do 2 courses, 2 electives. 4 core plus 2 elective. 6 if you can complete in this civil engineering any one domain, you are called domain scholar for that domain. Civil engineering has 4 domains. Then let us see electrical and electronics engineering. They have how many domains? 5 domains. You can choose any one domain. So VLSI designs is one particular domain. Click that. You will get what are all the core courses and electives list. Select 4 core courses and 2 electives. Then you will be called VLSI design domain specialist. Okay. Then communication and signal processing is another domain. There also you can, if somebody want to do, select that domain, do 6 courses there. Or somebody want to do power electronics, there are that domain is available. Click that. You will be shown what are all the list of core courses. To select 4 from them, and there are some 10 or 9 electives are there. You select 2 electives from that list. Total you do 6. This is the method how you can become a domain scholar. Okay, this score I already explained. You have to complete in 3 years. That is important. So even if you do two courses in each semester, yearly there are 2 semesters. In 1.5 year you can complete a domain specialist. If you do 6 courses in one semester, in one semester you can become domain scholar. But maximum time allowed is 3 years. Who are all the coordinators for NPTEL? It is a very significant slide because if NPTEL says and passes one resolution, because these are all the members, all has to respect. UGC has to respect, AICT has to respect, then there is NCRT, they have to respect. All these people has to respect. They will all sit together and decide what are all the reasons. Like for example, how many credits to be given her faculty doing a FDP program. So FDP program, I will give 2 credits like that. That their sense everybody will respect, and it will go to into their respective books, and they will show also in their website what are the resolutions, what is the current rules and all that. So it is a very good administratively set up because NPTEL consists of all these people as members. So one respects the other. They will literally sort out. For the external people is only one single NPTEL. So once they agree, all others will. There is credit transfers possible for NPTEL. Suppose for student, this is from student's point of view. Suppose one student does the NPTEL course of VLSI design, equivalent courses from the college they can drop. They can transfer the credits obtained in PTL to college credit, and that they in any semester I think some 10 to 20% of the courses they can drop from the college and take NPTEL. So college cannot refuse to give credit because that is a UGC regulation. They must recognize NPTEL courses and transfer the credits what NPTEL credits to students in the college curriculum, college framework. So let us talk about something about the faculty development. These courses also recognized as a faculty development program. A 4-week course is equivalent of half-week FDP. And if you do a 8-week program in NPTEL, it is equal to 1 week full-time FDP. If you do a 12 weeks NPTEL online course, it will be considered 1.5 weeks of FDP work. So the equivalent credits what for doing say FDP program of 1 week, what benefits you are going to get otherwise, like promotions and whatever, or some incentives, you are eligible. So some of the questions people are asking. So I have tried to list out what are the questions. On what basis are the course identified as AICT approved FDP courses? So AICT made it clear that FDP will be available only for elective and advanced topics. FDP will not be available for all core courses. So courses are chosen accordingly. When you go to that list, in the side while registering that course, in the side of that course name, FDP in and bold letters it is written. That means that course is available as a FDP course. So after writing the exam, you will get 2 certificates. One from the NPTEL, that the such and such course you passed. This is your marks, internal marks, sessional marks. And also one more certificate with the same details you will give. You are eligible for this FTP of 1 week or 1.5 week, depends on how many weeks course you have done at the NPTEL. One FTP certificate also. To get a additional FTP certificate, you do not have to do any additional course. You have to only say, I am willing to register for FDP, pay 100 rupees more, then that's all. You have to get one, you will get one FDP certificate also at the exam. After passing out the exam, you will get a normal NPTEL certificate, and if you are faculty and registered as FDP by paying another 100 rupees at the time of registration, you will get one FDP certificate. So thank you for listening patiently on the NPTEL course, and I advise all the students and faculty take benefit of the current semester registrations. It is absolutely free to improve your knowledge, and also since it is certificate is given, world will recognize that you are a domain specialist or a specialist in this. So I advise every student or a faculty to get first-hand experience of registering and getting themselves certified. So there are other parallel courses like EDU and from MIT and all. they were actually not recognized, some of them, by the government of India. Whereas NPTEL is from the government of India itself. It has a more value than the doing courses in EDU or some other private platforms. So I strongly advise to do people select NPTEL courses uh, and complete, and if possible get a domain specialist tag. So if any further doubts are there, you can go visit NPTEL or SWAYAM portal. Look for the dates because it will be done only yearly twice, 2 semesters, January to April, and also I think it is from July to October, second semester. We also have similar number of courses, so you can choose maximum of, as I explained, 6 courses you can do in any semester because only 3 exam dates are there. On any exam date, you can write only 2 courses. But if you want to just learn, don't exam, means any number of courses up to your choice, you can register 10, 20, no problem. Go through the course and get familiar with that and get knowledge. But certification, as far as certification is concerned, a maximum of 6 only you can do because only 3 exam fixed dates. So also to remember is you have to write the assignments. Every week they will give assignment. You have to fulfill the assignment, weekly assignments, which is also considered for marks. 25% of the marks are awarded from the assignments, 75% for the end exam. If you don't score 40% on either of them, you are not eligible for the certificate. So check out for the last dates, and also check out for what is your domain of interest. Select from these 51 domains, get a domain scholar tag. I wish best of luck for all the students and faculty. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.